Have you ever found yourself questioning your worth in his eyes? Does he truly value you the way you deserve? Picture this. You're sitting across from him, searching for those subtle signs of appreciation, validation, and acknowledgement in every word and gesture. Does he truly understand the depth of your worth? Are you tired of feeling like an option rather than a priority? In a world filled with uncertainties, one thing remains clear. You deserve to be valued. Let's unravel the secrets together as we delve into 8 powerful strategies that will not only make him sit up and take notice, but will also make him realize the extraordinary person he has by his side. It's time to transform doubt into certainty and captivate the respect and admiration you rightly deserve. So, the first powerful strategy to make him value more is to offer him an ego boost. This might sound a bit straightforward, but there's actually some deep psychology behind it. When you acknowledge and build up your man, you're doing a couple of important things. First, you're helping to amplify his masculine energy, which creates a stronger sense of masculine and feminine polarity between you two. When he feels more manly around you, it naturally draws out your feminine energy. This dynamic is something a lot of men find incredibly valuable in a partner. Your authentic feminine presence is one of the key things men value. So, by giving his ego a little boost, you're not just making him feel good, you're also adding value to how he perceives you as a mate. All men want to feel acknowledged and appreciated. Though not everyone subscribes to the idea of the hero instinct in men, there's no denying that showing appreciation can have a positive effect. So, how do you do this? It's as easy as saying, "Wow, you're so strong," or "You're really smart." These kinds of affirmations make him feel recognized and valued. The next strategy to make him value you more is to engage in high-value banter. If you are looking to quickly grab his interest, then high-value banter can be a game changer. It's a way of engaging in light, playful conversation that can lead to deeper and more meaningful discussions. Here's an example of how you can use high-value banter. Start by saying something intriguing like, "Do you know what I love about you?" Naturally, he'll be curious and ask, "What do you love about me?" And then with a playful tone, you reply, "Absolutely nothing." Now, this might sound like you're just playing mind games, but there's a fine line here. Why does this work? Because playfulness is a powerful precursor to emotional attraction for many men. If you can make a man feel emotionally drawn to you through your playful banter, you're reigniting not just his interest, but also building a deeper connection. Moving on to another effective strategy in making him value you involves your social media presence. How you present yourself online really does matter. If your social media is full of overly revealing photos, it might be time to rethink your approach. If your photos are excessively revealing, it could lead to being perceived primarily as a hookup option. This isn't a hard and fast rule, of course. Personal interactions can reveal much more about you than your social media ever could. But if you're looking to rekindle interest quickly, you need to stand out on his news feed in a more meaningful way. Here's how you can do that. Remove overly revealing photos. Unless they're done in a tasteful, artistic manner, reconsider posting photos that reveal too much. Focus on connecting, rather than competing for attention. Also, when you focus on storytelling, you start to add value on social media. Most people post for themselves, but your goal should be to connect with your audience, including this guy. Another powerful strategy to make him value you is to create some much-needed space. This might seem counterintuitive when you're trying to rekindle interest, but there's real value in giving him both a bit of yourself and a bit of breathing room. It does take courage, especially if you're worried he might drift away or find someone else, but that courage is within you. Taking a step back allows him to experience what life is like without your presence. It's an opportunity for him to feel the absence of your value you bring to his life. When you're not constantly available, it can make him more aware of your importance and the positive aspects you contribute to his life. This strategy hinges on the idea that absence can make the heart grow fonder. However, it's important to assess the nature of your relationship. This approach works best in a healthy, balanced relationship where both partners contribute positively to each other's lives. If the relationship was more tumultuous, or if there were toxic elements, the effect might be different. Next strategy is to subtly show that other men recognize your worth. It's a well-known psychological principle. We often desire what others want too, and this applies in the realm of dating as well. However, it's important to use this strategy carefully and tactfully, as it's widely recognized and can be seen as manipulative if overdone. Here's a practical way to apply this. When you're out at social venues where it's natural for people to mingle and meet new people, use the opportunity to show him your appeal to others. When he sees you interacting with another man, it might trigger a defensive reaction in him. This reaction can lead to him valuing you more, as he's reminded that you're attractive to others and not just available to him. Remember, this strategy is not about making him jealous or playing games, it's about demonstrating your social value and the fact that you're an attractive, sociable person who others enjoy talking to. Continuing, here's another strategy. Talking about your past relationships, but in a specific way. The idea here is to communicate that you've been with high-quality partners before. This can convey a few important messages. First, it signals high value. When you mention that you've had a great relationship in the past, it implies that you are someone of high value. It indicates that you're accustomed to being treated well and have high standards. Secondly, it suggests you have options. This can be an eye-opener for him, reminding him that you're not just settling for anyone, but choosing to spend your time with him. In addition, it can keep him on his toes. For some men, especially those who might not have the strongest self-confidence, knowing about your high-quality exes can keep them a bit insecure. However, it's important to balance this approach. If you overemphasize how amazing your exes were, it could backfire. He might start feeling that he can't measure up, or worse, he might think that you're not over your past relationships. The goal is to casually mention your past experiences in a way that shows you know your worth, not to make a direct comparison or create a competitive atmosphere. Moving on to the next strategy in making a man value you, which is undermining his achievements. This strategy is particularly relevant when dealing with men who might be a bit too self-absorbed, or those who tend to overlook your worth because they're overly focused on their own accomplishments. The idea here is not to belittle him or start conflicts, but to gently bring him down a notch from any self-created pedestal. For example, suppose you're dealing with a guy who's overly proud and maybe a bit dismissive of others' achievements. In such cases, you might subtly bring up topics or make requests that highlight areas where he's not as accomplished. This can help to lower the imbalance in perceived value between you two. By not being awed by everything he does, you're signaling that you have your own standards and perspectives on what's impressive and what's not. It's important to remember that this strategy should be used very cautiously. The goal is to create a more balanced dynamic in your relationship, not to demean or disrespect him. The next strategy is about showcasing your intelligence and humor, especially when you're in a group setting. If you feel like your boyfriend isn't fully appreciating your smarts or your sense of humor, it's time to let it shine in front of others. Being confident and authentic in social situations can really highlight your unique qualities. Engage in conversations, share your thoughts, tell that funny story you have up your sleeve, or make those witty remarks that come naturally to you. When you're interacting with a group, your boyfriend gets the opportunity to see you through others' eyes. He can observe how you light up the room, how people respond to your humor, and how your intelligence adds depth to conversations. When he sees others laughing at your jokes or nodding in agreement with your insights, it could give him a new appreciation for your qualities. Remember, the goal here is to remind him of your wonderful qualities that he might have been taking for granted. It's a gentle way of showing him what he has and encouraging him to value you more. That's everything we've got for today's video. We really hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. If you have any thoughts or comments, we'd love to hear from you. So please drop us a line in the comments section below. For those who are new here and haven't subscribed, now is the perfect time to join our community. Don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you never miss out on our daily videos filled with useful tips and information. Thanks so much for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in applying what you've learned. See you in the next video.